Hello, my name is Ethan Dahl, and I'm doing the presentation on radio shows. One of the radio shows I chose was the Dave Ramsey Show. He started it in 1992. Dave Ramsey is the author of 45 books talking about how to be smarter with your money. He goes in depth on how to get out of debt and how to get rid of all three things that create debt. He teaches the 7 baby steps to financial peace, which is what you're looking at right here. Baby step number 1 is to save $1,000 for your starter emergency fund. So he is teaching this first baby step because 61% of people can't cover a cost that's over $1,000 and they're living paycheck to paycheck. So when something happens, they don't have any money and they're too far in debt to spend it on this emergency. The second one he teaches is pay off all your debt except your house using the debt snowball. So he teaches this, and I think it's a very good way to get out of debt. Dave Ramsey normally focuses on people who are already in debt and in a lot of it, so this mostly applies to them because once you're in debt and you start taking off all these debts that you have to pay over time, it starts snowballing to where you can clear all your debt in a year or two, whether how much you have. And then baby step number 3 is to save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. So this is just a better baby step number 1. And it really helps people with their emergencies in case something does happen. And then he also teaches to invest 15% of your household income in retirement. This is the biggest part of this, in my opinion, of all the baby steps, because it helps you retire earlier, and it helps your whole future for your family as well. And obviously save for your children's college fund, pay off your home early, and then 7, which is also very important, build wealth and give. He's a big he's a big giver, and he preaches to give. On his show, people ask him all the time what they should do with his money, and he goes into it, and he talks about giving back and starting nonprofits and giving back to the church and paying stuff like that. And he's helped me start learning about money and becoming more responsible with my money, and teaching me how the power of compound interest works. And Dave Ramsey's main purpose right now is just to help the worldwide plague of financial illiteracy. Not a lot of people know about money, and I think this is a great way to really benefit this whole world. And once people really start learning about how money works and then how to use their money to their advantage, I think this book and many other books are going to do very well. As long as his radio show has a ton of people that are always asking him what they can do with the most of their money.